Yes, let's start our chapter number 3, the Kids Club. So, three children could not find a place to play. What did they do? Read and find out. There are so many characters: Gautam, Sanaya, Saif, and Uncle Benu. Gautam, Sanaya, and Saif live in a building called Bharat Apartment. It has 12 floors, means the building has 12 floors. However, there is no place for children to play. The only place where they can play is the staircase, is the stairs of the building. Sanaya said, I don't like the staircase. It is dark and dirty. Gautam said, it is the best place to play. Come, I will show you how to have fun. Let's take the lift to the top floor. The children quickly go upstairs. Gautam said, come on, get busy. Everybody should ring a doorbell and run. Everybody should ring a doorbell and run. Yes, Sanaya ring a bell. Why? Gautam said, to see the fun. Come on, start running or they will catch you. They press the doorbell. Means Gautam said to the others to see the fun, that ring a bell. Come on, start running. Otherwise, they will catch you. They press the doorbells of 3 flats and run down the stairs, 6 floors below. They stop to listen to angry voices. First voice, what's going on here? Second voice, who rang the bell? Third voice, wait till I catch you. Saif, this is the best game I have ever played. So that is the game of all day, that they ring the bell of other flats and run out from there. So Gautam said, come on, let us do it again. For a whole week, the children do it again and again. They do not get caught. Then one day, they ring the bell of a flat on the 8th floor. A man opens the door. Man, who is there? I know you kids have been troubling everyone. Come back. I want to talk to you. Saif said, let's run. Sanaya, oh, Gautam's fallen and hurt himself. We have to help him. Means Sanaya said, Gautam has fell. Gautam fell down. Gautam, oh, my leg. Means in Gautam's leg hurt. Saif, come on, get up, Gautam. The man is coming down. Gautam, you run. I can't move. Sanaya said, we will not leave you here. The man catches up with them. Man, you naughty children, how can you disturb people like this? It's a very rude thing to do. It's a very waste thing to do. Then he bends over Gautam and feels his leg gently. Man, I don't think you have broken any bones. You have broken any bones. It's just a cut. Come with me. I will band-aid it. The children follow the man into his flat. Man, come in, children. I am Venugopal. The man said to the children, I am Venugopal. Let's be friends. Call me Uncle Benu. Tell me, why have you been troubling everyone? Sanaya said, we are sorry, Uncle Venu, but there is no place for us to play. Uncle Venu, I have an idea. I have an extra room in my house. We can start a kids club here. You kids can meet here and do whatever you like, except rude things like ringing other people's doorbell and running away. Uncle Venu smiles and pats Sanaya's cheek. Children, we are so sorry, Uncle. Uncle Venu said, you must oblige to everyone. You must sorry to everyone. You have bothered. You have troubled to everyone. So children said, yes, we will. Thank you for being so kind. Thank you for being too kind for our game for our place. So this is a story about the kids club. The kids club, the children wants to play in a playground, but there is no place. There is no place in the apartment. So Uncle Venugopal give a room for the kids.